Well, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Okay, you are listening to News by Grandpa, where you will get the near term outlook of Tesla as well as a further outlook at where Grandpa sees Tesla stock potentially heading in the coming weeks and months, plus pertinent news affecting Tesla and the broader market. Also, data collected giving substance at certain price points that have always come true 100% of the time in over a year. Now, and as always, don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Wednesday the 20th, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, the Fed rate decision is coming out. Consensus is 98% that rates will remain the same. And then at 2:30 p.m., Powell will be speaking, and you can expect some volatility then. Um, that guy can move the market up and down better than anybody I ever seen, especially Tesla. President Joe Biden, confident interest rates will decline soon. Biden says although he can't guarantee it, he is confident the Fed will begin cutting rates. Biden went on to say that he bets rates will come down soon, saying they need to come down so people can afford homes. Grandpa would agree with that. They better do something. Yeah, Grandpa. Okay, it's Grandpa's opinion that the Fed will most likely begin reducing rates at the June 12th Fed meeting, followed by another cut July 31st, and then another on September 18th. Some of these cuts, some of these cuts may be larger than anticipated because of what is at stake politically with the presidential race and Biden trailing in the polls. I believe the Fed will be pressured to lower if Biden is to have a chance of winning the election on November 5th, 2024. And briefly, Kathy Wood, ARK Invest, started buying shares up in the $240 range a while back here, and then 230 range. She bought pretty much all the way down, as far as Grandpa could tell, and has continued buying. Her latest purchase was last Thursday that Grandpa knows of, and was for $26.32 million worth of Tesla stock. Tesla stock has fallen in 7 of the last 10 trading days. Okay, Monday, possibly Tuesday, Grandpa thinks we may see the low 170s, followed by a retraction down to our substance at 152. I'm telling you, I could be wrong, but I see 170 as a place to unload some shares and rebuy lower down. That's Grandpa's opinion. Substance at 152, as we have already gone through our place of substance at 162 twice already. It took it out, it went back down and retested it, went through it again, and now I'm anticipating a bounce into the low 170 range. Hopefully higher so we can get more. But and after 172, I'm expecting a very likely 10107 is a real possibility. Most likely in May sometime, because when rates are finally lowered in June 12th, I'm expecting Tesla to head for Mars at least for several months, most likely taking out our substance up at $280. Uh, you know, Grandpa forecasts a huge buying opportunity down here coming up, followed by a huge selling opportunity on the top side, based on the data that I collect in the blinking all day, every day, where they're going. And just want to say good luck on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week, and think about eternity. Grandpa does, and also, we have substance at 152 and then down at 101, and once we get down in the 152, we're close to having substance at a few other places just above 101, and they were down at 101 area buying 15 times now in the last 4 months or so. The market makers, and they're going to go down there and they're going to activate those shares, those longs, and when they activate them, and they also were down at $69 the other day, and they've been down at 80, and I have seen analysts that are talking 101 to $80 now, 101 to $90. So Grandpa's been screaming it for a long time, but it takes him a while to catch up with what Grandpa sees in the blinking months and months in advance. Our substance up at $280 is well over 6 months old at this point. So, okay, all good things are from the Lord. The Lord willing, Grandpa will do another live stream sometime. Think about eternity. Grandpa does. Bye-bye.